Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your GPU model, driver, and RAM so you know capabilities and limits. Once done, install the latest vendor drivers and CUDA/cuDNN for compute tasks. This unlocks full feature sets. Next, set power and performance profiles in your operating system and BIOS to prevent throttling. Make sure to plug into a high-power PSU and enable high-performance mode on laptops. These initial steps remove common bottlenecks, so the GPU can be fully utilized when you begin workload configuration. Now configure the software stack and workloads to fill the GPU efficiently. Increase batch sizes or parallel jobs until RAM is near capacity without swapping. This maximizes throughput. Enable GPU affinity and compute-only modes. Use mixed precision where safe, and pin threads to reduce context switching. Profile runs with vendor profilers to find kernel inefficiencies and adjust concurrency, streams, or pipeline depth accordingly. Once optimized, automate these settings in your scripts so every run begins at peak utilization without manual tuning. Finish by automating the optimized environment. Startup scripts, container configs, and monitoring dashboards so GPU settings persist. Gradually push workload intensity while watching temperatures, clocks, and power draw to avoid throttling. Throttle mitigation can include better cooling or undervolting for stability. If utilization stays low, check PCIe lane assignment, driver mismatches, background CPU bottlenecks, or thermal limits. One key troubleshooting tip: reduce system bottlenecks by profiling CPU-GPU overlap.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.